Hey pancakers, look what we found in Schaumburg, Illinois. A nice little place called People Dedicated to Quality, PDQ. It looks like they have chicken. Okay guys, so this is the tachos, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's tater tots with nacho dressing. Let's go for it. That is amazing. Let's try to get Jason's comment. This is the honey butter chicken and it has pickle, this wonderfully crisp chicken on it with honey all over it. Tastes so good. So these are the crispy chicken tenders. They have the perfect amount of spice. They have a good crunch on the outside here. It's not overly crispy, but there is a bunch of crispy parts, which makes it so delicious. So we have sweet sriracha. I would put this on every single sandwich that I made at home. Oh my god, it's so good. So here goes the creamy garlic sauce. Be in love with this sauce. And we're gonna go in with the buffalo blue, which is always my favorite sauce. This tastes like you're sitting in a pub and you're having buffalo wings with ranch dressing or blue cheese all mixed in together. It's so good. So these are their zucchini fries, which are exactly what it sounds like. It's just battered zucchini. It's the same batter from their chicken onto the zucchini fries. You have to try these. This is their chili lime corn. Oh my god. I don't know how they're doing this. Literally everything I've tasted has tasted delicious, and that doesn't. And here we have their tomato and cucumber tomato feta, I believe it is, salad. And it has it's so fresh and refreshing that while you're eating all of this like battered fried stuff, you almost need this as a palate cleanser, as a stomach cleanser. Delicious, delicious, delicious. I loved it here that they hooked us up with some grilled chicken and the nuggets. So let's get tasting. This is so nostalgic because it tastes like something from my childhood. I don't know if like my Nana made chicken like this. Someone did. It tastes so good. found it is a little bit different than the tenders because it almost has like a little bit of a sweetness to it, like a creamy sweetness. It's delicious.
Alright, PDQ, eat my pancake.
Guys, the review and final recap of PDQ, which stands for People Dedicated to Quality Chicken Restaurant. What I have to say about this restaurant is I am so full. I'm the type of fool, and the ladies are gonna feel me on this one. I had to take down my hair because I felt like my hair was full. Like, that's how full I am, but I'm full of amazing goodness. So I had the chicken tenders. The quality of ingredients takes this restaurant to another level because you could tell the batter's fresh. It has big chunks of like rosemary or thyme or whatever, oregano. And then I had the zucchini fries, which were just zucchini pieces dipped in that same batter as the chicken and deep fried. So good.
So let's talk about this fry oil. Because you know how when you go to a restaurant, you order something deep fried, and the oil is just old oil that tastes like saturated oil, and every product you put into that oil comes out tasting like that saturated oil. This is completely different. The oil is fresh and clean, and you can taste that in the product that you're eating.
So I had those two deep fried items, and then I had the corn, chili lime corn, and that was so good. It was corn with like, you know, chili and spices, and then feta and all that on top. So good. I also had the feta and tomato salad, which was just cucumber, feta, onion, olives, and olive oil, tomatoes. So delicious, so fresh, so good, so palate cleansing. And then Jason had
a chicken sandwich.
He had the honey butter chicken sandwich, and how was that?
That's good.
The honey butter chicken sandwich was so good. It had like this perfectly balanced sweetness with the like tanginess of the pickles and the creaminess of the butter, all on a bun with like the meat was just like as big as my hand, almost like a slab of chicken, perfectly breaded and perfectly fried and honeyed and sweet, and oh, just so good. And then he had the star of the show also, which was the tachos. So the tachos is exactly what it sounds like. It is tater tots with like Frito chips, corn chips with nacho dressing, like just so delicious. And if I could, I would take 3 large tachos home just to smell them all the way home. They gave us to try 2 of the grilled tenders, which brought me back to my childhood because it was just like, it tasted like home cooked chicken, like fresh ingredients with, you're gonna hear the word fresh a lot in this because this restaurant, just everything was fresh and quality. And so it had like fresh rosemary, it was juicy, it was tender, it was so good. And then they let us try the nuggets as well, and those nuggets were breaded like the tenders, but it tasted sweet with like creamy sweetness to the breading. So good, so fresh, so delicious, so fresh, so delicious, so fresh, so delicious, so fresh, so delicious, so fresh, fresh. Original restaurant is called Tenders. It's still a top restaurant out there, so you should look up PDQ, see what they're all about, and then go find one to taste them. Encourage them to spread their wings to the rest of the world because this goodness needs to be shared. But that's it for now, pancakers. Until the next tasting, we will see you. Actually, don't forget to hit subscribe and like and let us know where you want us to try to eat because we love to taste new food. So until next time, pancakers, we will see you later. Bye-bye.